yourself a photo editing tool, like, you know, CaneShot Pro XI, which is 11 in Roman numerals. Go ahead and click on your P3T compiler. That's the file format the themes are in. You're going to notice that there is a compiler right there. We're not going to worry about that. We're going to go into a sample. We're going to rename that file too. And then 01, we're not going to rename that file. And you're going to see in here different backgrounds, icon. This is your, when they look at information about your theme, that's going to be your photo. And then that is going to be your icon of the photo of the theme before. And you're also going to see some example icons, which happens to be every icon that you can use. It's really good that they put those in there because it makes this a lot easier. We're just going to go ahead and grab an icon and we're just going to drag and drop it right in here. Yeah, there we go. I won't have to do any editing. Running pretty good now. Alright, and you'll see the checkered background. It's not part of the image, it just means it's transparent. Here we go, our voice chat icon. And so far, we're just going to change the color. So we're going to hit adjust. And then we're going to hit color, red, blue, green. And just because I like red, I'm going to set red to 100, green to minus 100, blue to minus 100. And we're just going to go ahead and hit OK. Alright, so we got that. But it looks kind of plain, right? So we're going to go over here, to effects, three-dimensional effects. And I'm going to put some, there we go. Now this thing right here, just think of it as the sun. You can move this over. And it's just basically going to change where the shadow is. Give it a minute, and boom. I like to set mine right about here. So I just like the shadow, you know, like right underneath that. Looks pretty dope. Anyway, so we set some 3D effects to it. And then bam. And then all we do is hit X. Do you want to save the changes? Yeah, we might as well. Now, like I said, it's just 32-bit. We got our colors in there, and since we just shaved changes, it's just gonna drop it back in, and then you see it's red. All right, we got this sample XML file. I have one already, so I'm just gonna delete this. And grab the XML that I prepared, but I'm going to open it up to show you guys how it works. Alright, there's our XML. To edit an XML, you can change the name of the XML too. I got it set to Oregon. You just right click, or you're just going to go ahead and open it with a notepad so you can see how to do it. It's not really that hard. So I have to change a couple things. Alright, the things need to change. Name is the name of the theme. Alright. The URL is a website, like something like you go to, so you can put like your YouTube or your website, or a favorite website of yours. Author, that's you, and that's me right there. Anyway, categories is basically others. Version 2.0. Comment, you're allowed to put a comment. Why would I not make PS3 themes? Yada yada yada. This calls a preview, don't mess with that. And you also have to do it in EN, just change the name of the theme right there. And Japanese, change the name of the theme, and then you get to put another comment in there. Why would I not make a PSP? And then this is basically all the call data right there. And we're not going to mess with that. Just change what you want, hit X. If you change anything, it'll say save changes, just hit yes. Go back into your PS3 editing tool, and you're going to notice there's the compiler right there. what you want to do is grab your XML, drag it over. You see when you hover over the compiler, it says open up, open with P3T compiler. Hit yes, or we're just going to drop it actually. The DOS window will pop up and start writing your theme. It's actually pretty quick. It's astounding how quick it is. While that's compiling, let's go ahead and you can use your PSP or an external hard drive or whatever storage device you have. Go to I go to my computer because that's where my storage device is that I use. Alright, there's my storage device right here. Our DOS window says we can hit any key to exit, so we're going to go ahead and do that. And open up our storage device. Mine's an external hard drive. You'll notice in here I have a PS3 folder. This is the root, by the way, of a storage device. All the folders, when you open it up, is the root. We open up our PS3 folder that I added. You're going to see I added a theme folder. Open that up. Alright. What we do is highlight the AT3 we have in there and delete it. AT3. Damn it. P3T. Alright. Delete. And as you see in here, that compiling, it dropped us our P3T. Just drag it and drop it in our theme folder, and you see it's in there. Good. And take our external hard drive, unplug it. This leads to the PS3, and we grab our PS3 USB. Plug it into the USB for the external drive and hit video. And turn that on. That's the theme I have on there already. Wait for there's our external hard drive. So now we go over to theme. Alright. We go into theme, and then the top option, and we wants us to look in the USB device, which is our external hard drive, and you'll see the name of a theme. And go ahead and hit X. Please wait. Yada yada yada. Our theme is in there. So now we can go into our themes and we'll find Oregon Red.